In this particular tutorial we will see how to create, or you can say how to take online MCQ test by using Google Forms. So first of all, to do that particular thing, you just need to create the Google form, like the Google form of your particular MCQs, you can say the test, and then later on you can integrate that particular thing on our admin panel. So we will divide the videos in two. So if you don't have any idea about how to create Google form, then you can refer to this video, or if you know how to create the Google form, you can just extract the link from that, so you can just come to the second video, which is just below this particular one. So without further ado, we just start how to create the Google form first. So to do that, you just need to search Google Forms just on Google, like that. So you just need to click the first link, like google.com/forms. So here, after just going to that, they will ask, like, we are supposed to click on this personal window, and here you just need to like click on go to Google Forms, and after just doing that particular thing, you will be redirected to this particular window. It will just show no form set, like you have not created any form. So to create a new form, like to create a new quiz, you can say, you just need to click on this blank. So after doing that, this kind of interface will be shown to you, like you just have to cancel these things. Like I will just show you everything, so you don't need to go for the tool. So like after coming to that, you can give the name to this particular thing. So let's say I'm just conducting maths test, so I will just name it like that. And if any description available for that, like this is my unit test, so I will just rename it like that. And later if I want to create a test here using the Google form, so at first I just need to go in this setting icon here, right here, and after going to that, you just need to click on this quizzes, and after quizzes you just need to turn on this make this a quiz, and just do that particular thing, and everything will be settled out by its own. You just need to click on save, and if you just take, like we'll just use one question, like what is the sum of 2 and 2. So let's say we are just asking them, like, what is the sum of 2 and 2. So we can just put the like you can say options here, like 4, or just to add another answer option, you just need to click here like 2. Then we can just go like that. So I just have settled 4 options here. So whenever a person will see this particular quiz, he will encounter with this 4 option. And if you just want to set the particular, like the right answer to this form, you just need to click on this answer key, and you just need to click on the correct option, so that it can automatically detect the answer. So like this, you can set up a question in you can say Google form. If you want to add the images as question, like here we have just settled up text, right? So instead of that, you can also use images by using this particular add image button. You can upload your images for the options and question everything. So like this is how you can do this particular thing, like MCQ question. And also you can add the image for question also, like that. After clicking on this image section, you can create a lot of things using that, like if you want to use a date timer or just time, like for creating a test, you are not supposed to go in that particular thing. You just need to click on multiple choice. And if you want that someone should answer you, like let's say I'm not creating a MCQ test, if someone wants to write the answer, then we can go for a short answer or short paragraph. Then if I just say what is let's say 3 into 3, okay, yeah. So if we just ask that what is 3 into 3, then here we are just supposed to give them, like they will give you the short answer here, and you just need to select the answer key here, like the correct answer is 9. So like this will not appear, like this will not be visible to a person, like whoever is giving the exam. He can just easily type the correct answer there, and if it is correct, then it will just show is that correct. So let's check it. So we have given this particular 2 question for now, and if I just want to just see this particular form, like how it will look, you just need to click on this preview button. So after doing that, if we just click on, like we have given the right answer as 4, so if I just click on 4 here, then it will just look like that. And here if I just click 9, as we have settled the correct answer as 9, and if I just submit this test, then it will show that your response has been recorded, and that you can just view the score. So this is the correct answers for this particular field. So this is how you can take the test. And also if you want to collect that particular, you can say if you want to collect the name and the roll numbers of them, so you just need to add the sections, like add a question, and here you can just add like what name. So you just need to ask a question like that, and instead of multiple choice you can just take it as short answer, and you just need to click on the required section. So if someone clicks on, like if someone just like you can say put their name here, and you can get access of it by using this particular form. So this is how you can create a MCQ test using Google Form. And in the next video I will show how to integrate this particular thing into our application.